One step from heaven, one sigh away.
I'm bumping down all the fucking time on this Grand Intel sound. All the time getting mine on this tip tube sound. This fucking sound all the time getting mine while I'm dropping no fucking down. All the time watching this fucking shit swing all the time. On the donut meter all the time. Up to 1KW if I want to, cause I get it for you all the time. And sometimes I make them whine all the time, but I sit back and fucking smile all the time, cause I'm getting mine all the fucking time, getting mine, dropping it down all the time, getting mine with this Grand Intel sound. While I am doing a fuck getting round, could you see me fucking taking this round, taking up all the time, getting mine while I'm dropping these fucking rounds, all the time getting mine. And sometimes I make mine on time, cause I do shit my way, down this fucking highway, only get down all the time, cause I do this shit all the time, and I rhyme all the fucking time. What are they gonna do? What shit back in mine?
One sigh away.
This Grand Intel sound brings it to the fucking ground, to the stage, cause I stage it up all the time, getting fucking mine, cause I got these rounds all the fucking time, but I'm bringing these fucking bars all the fucking time, cause I am getting mine. What you gonna do? Fuck, sit back and whine and cry while I'm blood all the fucking time, getting mine. Christian crazy all the time, getting mine. AKA Bulldog Jr. gets it all the time on this Grand Intel all the time, getting mine. So sit back and whine and cry all the fucking time while I'm getting mine. In the track all the fucking time, cause I'm getting mine with